Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited application process. This card offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on all business purchases, making it a straightforward choice for many. You can also earn a substantial welcome bonus after meeting initial spending requirements. Plus, it comes with no annual fee, which is a great perk for any business. To apply for the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, you'll need an existing business. Even a sole proprietorship qualifies. Be sure to provide accurate and complete business and personal financial details on your application. Chase may verify your business information, so ensure everything is consistent and readily available for review. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're at home or on the go. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before applying, be aware of Chase's unofficial 5/24 rule, which limits new card approvals. A good to excellent personal credit score, generally 670 or higher, is also very important for approval. Think about your business spending patterns. This card is ideal for consistent, flat-rate cash back on all purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.